In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter for star in Excel. We will make Excel show only the rows where a real asterisk symbol appears in a column, not just any text. First, launch Excel in your device. When Excel opens, you should see either a list of recent files or a blank workbook option on the start screen. If Excel was already running, you can simply make sure the main Excel window is active before you continue. Next, open an existing book. Use the list of recent workbooks if you see the file there, or browse to find it on your computer. Once the workbook opens, confirm that you can see the sheet that contains the data you want to filter, usually laid out in columns with headers at the top. From there, click any cell inside your data table. Pick a cell within the column where you want to filter for the asterisk, or any cell in the same continuous block of data. Excel uses this selection to understand which range belongs to your table, so avoid clicking empty rows or columns that are completely blank. Now, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. Look toward the upper part of the Excel window and click the tab labeled Data to bring it to the front. On this tab, you will see a group called Sort and Filter, which holds the controls we need for this task. Next up, click the large filter button, the one with the funnel icon. When you click it, small drop-down arrows will appear in the header cells of each column in your data range. If the arrows were already there, clicking filter would turn them off, so make sure they remain visible before moving on. After that, click the drop-down arrow in your column header. Choose the column that may contain the asterisk symbol and click its arrow on the right side of the header text. A filter menu will open, showing options like search, check boxes for values, and sometimes filter by color if your data uses fill or font colors. At this point, click inside the search box, then type ~* into the box. That means first the tilde character, then the asterisk. Excel normally treats the star as a wildcard that can match any number of characters, but the tilde tells it to treat the next character as a literal symbol instead. After typing, you will see the list below the search box shortened to only values that actually contain a visible asterisk. Finally, click OK. Excel will now display only the cells that contain an actual asterisk symbol. The rows without that symbol are temporarily hidden, and only the matching rows remain visible in your filtered column. You have now filtered an Excel column to show just the entries that contain a real star character, not wildcard matches. So if this walkthrough helped you nail this specific filter, please give the video a quick thumbs up and consider subscribing for more focused Excel tips.